What if one affordable, natural food could improve blood flow, support heart health, sharpen your mind, and help you age stronger after 55? The answer might already be in your kitchen: beets.
This video breaks down the science-backed health benefits of beets for men over 55,
focusing on how this powerful root vegetable supports. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to discuss a powerful, yet often overlooked vegetable that holds incredible potential for men over 55. We'll be focusing on the humble beet. As we age, our bodies have different needs and priorities for health. Maintaining vitality, cognitive function, and cardiovascular wellness becomes increasingly important. Beets offer a natural, delicious way to support these goals. This isn't about miracle cures, but rather about integrating nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Think of beets as a natural ally in your ongoing journey towards optimal health. Let's explore how this vibrant root vegetable can make a real difference. So, what makes beets so special for men in their golden years? It starts with their unique nutritional profile. Beets are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. You'll find good amounts of folate, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. These micronutrients play vital roles in numerous bodily functions, from energy production to immune support. But the real stars are compounds called nitrates. These naturally occurring substances are converted in your body into nitric oxide, a molecule with profound health implications. This conversion is key to many of the benefits we'll discuss. One of the most significant benefits of beets for men over 55 lies in their impact on heart health. High blood pressure is a common concern as we age, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The nitrates in beets are powerful vasodilators. This means they help relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow. This natural expansion directly contributes to lower blood pressure readings. Regular consumption of beets, whether juiced, roasted, or steamed, can lead to a measurable reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This effect is sustained, making beets a valuable dietary tool for cardiovascular maintenance. Incorporating beets into your routine can be a proactive step in managing your heart health. It's a simple, natural way to support one of your most vital organs. Do you sometimes feel your energy waning or find exercise more challenging than it used to be? Beets might offer a natural boost. The nitric oxide produced from beet nitrates also plays a role in enhancing physical performance. By improving blood flow, more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles during activity. This can reduce fatigue and increase your endurance. It means you might be able to exercise longer and with greater intensity. For men over 55, maintaining physical activity is crucial for overall health and independence. Beets can help you sustain your fitness goals, whether it's walking, gardening, or more strenuous workouts. Think of it as giving your body a more efficient fuel delivery system. As we mature, maintaining sharp cognitive function is a key priority. Beets can contribute positively to your brain health too. The improved blood flow we discussed earlier extends to the brain. Enhanced circulation means your brain receives a more consistent supply of oxygen and essential nutrients. This supports overall cognitive function, including memory, focus, and problem-solving abilities. Studies suggest that a nitrate-rich diet, like one including beets, may help protect against age-related cognitive decline. It's about nourishing your brain as effectively as you nourish the rest of your body. Keeping your mind active and well-supplied is a powerful strategy for graceful aging. Bone density naturally declines with age, increasing the risk of osteoporosis, especially in men. Beets contain minerals like silica and magnesium, which are important for bone health. While not a primary source, their contribution supports the overall mineral balance essential for strong bones. Furthermore, beets are rich in potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as betalains. These compounds help combat chronic inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various age-related diseases, including joint pain and cardiovascular issues. Reducing inflammation can alleviate discomfort and promote overall well-being. Including beets in your diet can be a gentle, natural way to support your joints and general inflammatory response. It's another layer of protection for your aging body. Digestive health is another area where beets shine. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps regulate bowel movements, preventing common issues like constipation. A well-functioning digestive system is fundamental to nutrient absorption and overall comfort. Furthermore, fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly linked to everything from immune function to mood regulation. Beets contribute to a balanced internal environment. Prioritizing gut health becomes even more important as we age. Beets offer a straightforward and delicious way to keep your digestive system running smoothly. While beets are not a specific treatment for prostate issues, their general health benefits can indirectly support prostate health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are particularly relevant. Chronic inflammation is a factor in various prostate conditions. By reducing systemic inflammation, beets contribute to a healthier cellular environment. The powerful antioxidants help protect cells from damage. Maintaining good circulation and overall cardiovascular health, which beets promote, also supports healthy organ function throughout the body, including the prostate. It's about providing your body with the best possible conditions to thrive. Think of beets as part of a holistic approach to wellness, rather than a targeted remedy. A healthy, nutrient-rich diet is always beneficial for prostate health. Now that you know the benefits, how can you easily add beets to your diet? They are surprisingly versatile. Juicing is a popular method, offering a concentrated dose of nutrients. You can roast beets for a sweet, earthy side dish, or steam them and add to salads. Grate raw beets into coleslaw, or use them to add color and nutrients to smoothies.
Beetroot powder is another convenient option. It can be mixed into drinks or sprinkled over food.
Experiment with different preparations to find what you enjoy most. Consistency is key. Remember to start small if you're new to beets, as they can have a potent flavor. Gradually increase your intake as you get accustomed to them. While beets offer numerous benefits, a few considerations are important. Beets can cause harmless reddish or pink urine and stools, known as beeturia. This is perfectly normal and no cause for alarm.
If you are prone to kidney stones, particularly oxalate-type stones, discuss beet consumption with your doctor.
Beets are moderately high in oxalates. As with any significant dietary change, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. This is particularly true if you are on blood pressure medication, as beets can further lower blood pressure. Your doctor can help you integrate beets safely into your health plan. We've covered a lot of ground today, highlighting the many ways beets can support the health of men over 55. From bolstering heart health and boosting stamina to enhancing brain function and promoting digestive wellness, beets are a truly remarkable food. Embracing foods like beets is an active step in taking control of your health. It's about making informed choices that contribute to your vitality and well-being as you age gracefully. I encourage you to consider adding this vibrant vegetable to your diet. Your body will thank you for it. Stay informed, stay active, and keep nourishing your health. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment. And please share your favorite healthy foods.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.